Hello guys, finally Xiaomi 12S Ultra is unveiled now with the world's biggest camera sensor. Xiaomi 12S Ultra upgrade including an impressive camera system feature, Sony huge IMX 9891 sensor and new camera hardware developed in collaboration with Leica. Here are some camera sensor sizes of other brand smartphone. The main camera has a rectangular module which contains a circular thick camera module with some cameras and supporting sensor. The main camera is a Sony IMX 9891 inch high resolution 50.3 megapixel f1.9 aperture, 23 mm wide multi-directional PDF which can take daylight and night light shot. Here you can see Xiaomi is using Leica semi-con lens which has low reflection coating which helps to reduce the glare and highlight beam reflection. Xiaomi also added super wide angle lens 48 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 13 mm ultra wide dual pixel PDF and a 48 megapixel f4.1 aperture, 120 mm periscope telephoto 5x optical zoom lens. All around with dual flash, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra has clearly forced their effort to the camera department. The phone has aluminum frame with a 6.73-inch curved high-resolution LTPO display with 120Hz refresh rate, with a punch hole camera in the center near top edge with a 32 megapixel f2.5 aperture of 26 mm wide, also dual stereo sound system. The rear surface is covered with a very top end looking leather material which comes in red and green and a classic black. It's more than a thing of beauty too, with IP68 water and dust resistant. Powering the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage. The new Snapdragon claims a 10% improvement in GPU and CPU performance and a 30% in power efficiency compared to the 8 Gen 1. There are also a new 3D cooling system which should help improve thermal in games and more demanding application. It has 4860 mAh battery with 67 watt wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging support. Xiaomi's also launched 12S and 12S Pro with mediocre specs and pretty design. For those who don't want to spend too much can get this one. Here are the detail of all three models. The starting price of 12S Ultra is 5,999 yuan. That's all for now. What's your thought about? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.